definitely built up in Denison. Candy store is still in business.
Okay, look at all that. Whatever that is. That must be another
That's a brand new building over there.
coffee, beer, wine, and food.
Actual like alleyways to it.
Cold beer, hot dogs, and whiskey.
Yeah, but I was like, no, I think his name was Welcome. I was like, dude, you did great. This year, I think we'll do the girls practice.
Oh, the wine place.
Yeah, but it's not 90 promise.
If you're a wino, this is the place to be.
Seems like it.
Two dog stuff. Shop.
It's all about dogs.
It's all about dogs. It's all dogs.
Hold on.
Oh, no, thank you.
You're gonna love it, you sure? It's a free sample.
And yet she knew what my eyes needed, even with the sunglasses.
That's what I need is a handicap placard. Yeah, so we can get front row parking.
Pretty much. You got ones I'll take.
Oh, yeah.
They're always open. Hey, just stop in the middle of the sidewalk there. Mom's busting a move. There's a little camper there.
Yeah, pop up on top.
Yeah. That is way too small. Imagine that.
Another old dog store.
Like those decorations and stuff.
I think we're getting closer.
I thought it was fine. This is a little children's store.
Yeah, but like, it took me forever to find this hat that's not a trucker hat. That has the back on it.
He's in like, kind of like being at like a rent fair.
All right, there it is, Java Ranch, coffee and provisions. So where we're going? GoPro, stop recording. Tried to get Mom a wallet in there. She didn't like it. I knew.
Dijeron que iban a la esquina para ahí estamos compraron una y otra se fueron ahí. A veces se pelota ir
Oh, jeez. Oh.
43,246.
Well, this one went down. It's 499,000 now.
Oh, what a deal. Looks like a 3-bedroom house.
Pretty much. It's something you can find in Denison for sure. In that store.
And that's the one you slowed down.
Those got the night.
I know you saw it, you slowed down.
What?
The store down there.
Something for Matt.
Oh.
I slowed down to see what was in it because it just like had all these knives and stuff on it.
You didn't know the name of it. It was just funny. Caught his eye.
Pretty much.
It is. Linda, you are getting grumpy.
Yeah, you get away from me. Wait up. can't count that high.
Don't know your number.
Is this the one, dear?
I got it.
Oh, sorry. We were moving.
Yes, you were.
There you go. I thought you were dead. That's why I got off.
This is where we ate. GoPro, stop recording.